In this video, you will see creamy mango ice cream recipe without using any cream or corn flour, making it a healthy, guilt-free dessert for summer. Take 2 ripe bananas and 1 ripe mango, chop them and freeze them overnight. Chopping a handful pistachios, which adds nice crunch to the ice cream or an ice cream. Take 3 teaspoons of cashew nuts and soak them in warm milk. Now I am adding a pinch of Kesar, which adds nice color and fragrance, which is completely optional. After cashew nuts are soaked for 10 minutes, add them to a blending jar. Now add 2 frozen bananas and blend them roughly a minute. Now add frozen mango to it and blend them by mixing it often till you get creamy texture. To this, add few chopped pistachios and mix it well. It's ready to be frozen. Transfer them to a tray. Here, I am topping it with chopped pistachios and little kesar on top, which is completely optional. Place a butter paper on top and then wrap it with a cling wrap and let it freeze for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 hours, it's ready to be served. Do try this healthy, guilt-free and creamy mango ice cream recipe and then let me know in the comments on how it turned out for you. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.